Alright everyone, I just took out the PlayStation 2. So this is what I got. See all those teeth right there? Those teeth inside. Let that go. And board too inside. There we go. Then take this. It got gold in it. It got little teeth. Gold. Okay. The strip right there. Got gold. This got a little copper right there. Copper right there. Copper right there. Copper right there. And more gold teeth right there. And the board right there got gold in it. I missed 2 screws. And we got metal right there. And a nice piece of aluminum. That's aluminum. That's aluminum. See, the rest is metal. Okay, that's out of the PlayStation 2. Right? Oh, this right here. And go in there. Gotta break that up. Okay? See you later. Keep scrapping.